Ever wondered how your spare change could actually grow into something substantial without you having to constantly analyze market trends or pick individual stocks? If that thought has ever crossed your mind, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the world of Acorns, the popular micro-investing platform that's helping millions of people, just like you, take their first steps, or even their next steps, in the investment game. But here's the real question we're tackling today: what exactly is Acorns investing your money in? It's not picking random stocks and hoping for the best, that's for sure. The secret sauce lies in exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Now, that might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's simpler than you think, and understanding it will give you a much clearer picture of where your money is going and why Acorns has chosen this particular investment vehicle. Before we get into the specifics of the ETFs Acorns uses, let's quickly recap what Acorns actually does. Imagine you buy a coffee for $3.75. Acorns can round that purchase up to $4, taking that spare 25 cents and investing it on your behalf. These small amounts, seemingly insignificant on their own, add up over time, allowing you to gradually build an investment portfolio without feeling a significant pinch in your daily spending. It's the epitome of little drops make a mighty ocean when it comes to investing. Acorns offers various portfolio options, ranging from conservative to aggressive. These portfolios are constructed by Acorns' team of financial experts, and they are the ones who decide which ETFs are the best fit for each risk level and investment goal. This is a crucial point. Acorns isn't letting you pick individual stocks, which can be risky and requires a good understanding of the market. Instead, they're using ETFs, which offer diversification, a key principle in investing that helps to reduce risk. So, what exactly are ETFs? Think of an ETF as a basket holding a variety of different investments, such as stocks, bonds, or even commodities. Instead of buying shares in just one company, when you invest in an ETF, you're essentially buying a small slice of all the holdings within that basket. This diversification means that if one or two companies in the ETF don't perform well, your entire investment isn't drastically affected, as other holdings might offset those losses. It's like spreading your eggs across multiple baskets, a much safer approach than putting them all in one. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the specific ETFs that Acorns typically utilizes in its portfolios. Keep in mind that these might be subject to change based on market conditions and Acorns' investment strategy adjustments, but as of today, we can identify some core ETFs that form the foundation of their investment options. One of the primary ETF providers that Acorns partners with is Vanguard. Vanguard is a well-respected and low-cost investment management company known for its broad market index funds. These funds aim to track the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500, which represents the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. You'll often find Acorns utilizing Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, which typically has the ticker symbol VOO. This ETF provides broad exposure to the U.S. stock market, giving investors a stake in the overall performance of the American economy's leading companies. Because it tracks a well-established index, it's considered a relatively low-cost and efficient way to gain exposure to a large segment of the market. Another Vanguard ETF frequently found in Acorns portfolios is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, often trading under the ticker symbol VTI. While VOO focuses on the S&P 500, VTI takes a broader approach, encompassing virtually all publicly traded companies in the United States, from the largest corporations to smaller and mid-sized firms. This provides even greater diversification within the U.S. equity market. For investors seeking international exposure, Acorns often incorporates the Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets ETF, with the ticker symbol VEA. This ETF invests in a wide range of companies located in developed countries outside of the United States, such as Japan, the United Kingdom, Germany, and Australia. Including international stocks in a portfolio can further enhance diversification and potentially capture growth opportunities in other parts of the world. To provide exposure to emerging markets, Acorns may also include the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF, typically trading under the ticker symbol VWO. This ETF invests in companies located in developing economies, such as China, India, Brazil, and South Africa. Emerging markets can offer higher growth potential but may also come with greater volatility, so their allocation in Acorns portfolios will generally vary depending on the chosen risk level. Beyond stocks, bonds play a crucial role in a well-diversified investment portfolio, particularly for those with a more conservative risk tolerance or a shorter investment time horizon. Acorns often includes bond ETFs to provide this fixed income component. One such ETF is the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, usually trading under the ticker symbol BND. This ETF invests in a wide array of U.S. investment-grade bonds, offering a more stable and less volatile investment option compared to stocks. In addition to these core Vanguard ETFs, Acorns has also incorporated other ETFs to further refine its portfolio offerings and cater to specific investment strategies. For instance, in some of its more aggressive portfolios, you might find ETFs that focus on specific market segments or factors, such as small-cap stocks or dividend-paying companies. These can potentially offer higher returns but also come with increased risk. It's also worth noting that Acorns offers socially responsible investing (SRI) options, often branded as sustainable portfolios. These portfolios utilize ETFs that focus on companies with high environmental, social, and governance (ESG) ratings. These ETFs allow investors to align their investments with their values, supporting companies that are considered more sustainable and responsible in their operations. Examples of ETFs you might find in these portfolios could include those that track clean energy companies, companies with strong labor practices, or those with ethical corporate governance. The specific allocation of these ETFs within your Acorns portfolio will depend on the risk profile you choose when you sign up. Acorns typically offers 5 core portfolio options: conservative, moderate, moderately aggressive, and aggressive. Conservative portfolios will generally have a higher allocation to bond ETFs like BND, providing more stability and lower potential returns. They'll still include some stock ETFs like VOO and VTI, but in smaller proportions. Moderately conservative portfolios will strike a balance between stocks and bonds, with a slightly higher allocation to stock ETFs compared to the conservative option. Moderate portfolios will lean more toward stocks, with a significant portion allocated to ETFs like VOO, VTI, VEA, and VWO, while still maintaining a presence in bond ETFs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.